Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I've got a really smart Tableau trick that often comes into the interview and real world dashboards. But most people either overload it or make it complicated. Imagine this, let's take the example. You are working with the product cost breakdown or step by step stage in process. And you are only want to highlight or label of the final row or each group. This is my group. Okay. The last category or every product sounds simple, right? But doing that isn't. Okay. So why I'm using the fixed LOD? So let's you say like, can we do it if else condition or case statement? So I'm saying no. I'll tell you why later on. I'll tell you why. What is the ask of the interview? Okay. So that's why the powerful feature called fixed LOD comes into the picture. So today I'm going to show you how to just one clean and line of code identify the flag. Okay. So just take example or whenever you are preparing an interview or building an executive dashboard or just trying to level up your Tableau skills. This table comes in handy. Let's deep dive in. Okay. So I'll tell you why. The interviewer wants like I want the war chart where I want to show ID and the item name. That's it. Okay. If you see in the ID one, the item and jacket, and they have the sub ID which tells you the $100 or 100 rupees, whatever it is take. Okay. And same goes for shoes. They are taking the 90 and the socks 20 and blouse 30, whatever it is that. Okay. So they want if I remove sub ID from the view, like I got jacket 500, shoes 450, and blouse 150, socks 100. How that it comes? Like if my original value is like 100 should get. My shoes should be 19, so I should get 19, and I wanted to show only ID and ID name. Based on that, I want to create a bar chart. So how can we do that? So we can like solve this question using fixed LOD as I told you before. Okay. So let's create this. I got you have the like clear the question what we are trying to do it here. Okay. Let's do it or make it. Okay. Let's create first calculation. So I'll do what is the calculation one? I don't know. Let me delete it. Okay. So I'm saying my sub ID equal to fixed ID. You can use main or max, doesn't matter. Max my sub ID. Okay, so I'm using if then the matches they give me true, else false, and okay. This is this calculation checks in it's a Tableau. Can you please show me this sub IDs is equal to this fixed ID? If it is match, they give me the max ID. That will if they match, they will give me the true. Otherwise, give me the false. Okay. Let's say category flag. Okay. Let me what happened? Let me apply true and both. Okay. we have eliminated the duplicate values. Okay, we got the right value for each of the ID of the row level IDs. Like jacket has the 100, packaging 19, blouse 30, and shoes 20. So that's how you can use the. Let's quickly create the bar chart here, or we can create it like this here as well as show. And I don't want ID. No, not ID. I don't want maybe sub ID here because we already calculated. So ID and the jacket and based on the price, what is the price of the particular the item name? So we can show that. And if you use it without LOD, so it will give me like this. So ID and the item name and cost. Let me create this as well as see the difference. 500, 450. So this doesn't the correct the data. Okay, that the data will duplicate. Okay, the correct value is this one using the LOD. So we have been eliminated the duplicate value to find the right result. So this is how you can like solve this kind of tricky question. You need to understand the question first, then start creating your logic here. So that's it from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video.